Welcome to Cars2view 3.0, your AI car market co-pilot. In this video, I'll guide you through the promotions module on Cars2view. Once you're logged in, go to the promotions section on the dashboard. There, you'll find two tabs, Buying Profile and Cars2click Offers. Let's start with the Buying Profile. At the top of this page, you'll see your company's buyer information. This section is pre-filled by Cars2click. If anything needs to be updated, just reach out to your key account manager. Below that, you'll find the buyer profile form, where you can set your buying preferences. Select the car makes you're interested in, your preferred age range, new or used status, fuel types, petrol, diesel, hybrid or electric, and your ideal mileage range. Once you're done, click Update Company. You'll then begin receiving offers tailored to your preferences. These offers will be sent to your email, but you can also view them directly in the Cars2click Offers tab under Promotions. Let's go there now. On the Cars2click Offers page, you'll see a series of lists, each one a batch of vehicles from specific brands. Keep in mind, these lists are available only for a limited time, so it's best to review them promptly. Inside each list, you'll see the total number of cars included, a history of your actions with each offer, and contact details for your key account manager. Scroll down to view a detailed breakdown of each vehicle. You can also download the list as an Excel file if you'd prefer to review it offline. Not interested in certain cars? Just select them and click Remove Selected Cars. Scroll right for more actions. Click See Car on Cars2click to view the vehicle in the Cars2click online shop. From there, you can proceed with the purchase, either by making an offer or adding the car to your cart directly in the online shop. Alternatively, you can continue your buying process in Cars2view, which works in a similar way. You can click Car Details for an in-depth view, including photos, specifications, optional and special equipment. And if you're interested in a vehicle, you have two options. Select Buy Car to accept the AI calculated selling price, or choose Make Offer to submit your own price, then click Add to Cart. You can repeat this for as many cars as you'd like, adjusting each offer as needed. As you go, you'll see offer statuses update on the left side of your screen. At any time, click into your cart to review your selections, revise offers, or add notes to specific vehicles. Once everything is set, click Send Offers to Cars2click. Our team will follow up shortly to move forward with your purchase. And that's it for the Promotions module on Cars2view. This is how we make AI data technology work for you. Let's do good business together. Thanks for watching.